Hello everyone, if you are struggling to decide which country aligns best with your career goals, this video is for you. Today we will explore key factors that can help you make an informed decision, including job opportunities, lifestyle, cost of living, immigration policies and more. Start with your career field. Research countries where your industry is thriving. For instance, tech professionals thrive in the USA, Canada and Germany. Healthcare professionals find excellent opportunities in the UK, Germany and Australia. Creative fields like fashion or design flourish in Italy, France and the Netherlands. Growth potential. Look at emerging trends in your industry. Are there new hubs? For example, the UAE is becoming a tech and business hub. Understand work visa policies. Ease of immigration. Research visa policies. Countries like Canada, Australia and Germany have well-defined pathways for skilled workers. Duration and flexibility. Does the work visa allow you to transition to permanent residency? Eligibility requirements. Check education qualifications, language skills and experience required. Consider salaries and benefits. Compare average salaries for your profession. For instance, tech salaries are highest in the US. Healthcare roles pay well in Australia and Norway. Benefits? Look at healthcare, retirement plans, paid leaves and unemployment support. Cost of living versus quality of life. Cost of living. High salaries may not compensate for expensive living costs. Compare rent, food, transportation and taxes. Quality of life. Assess work-life balance, safety, public services and inclusivity. Countries like Sweden and the Netherlands score high on these metrics. Language and cultural fit. Language requirements. English-speaking countries like Canada, Australia and the UK are ideal if you are not fluent in other languages. Cultural adaptability. Are you open to embracing new cultural norms? For example, Japan has a unique work culture that requires adjustment. Evaluate long-term goals. Does the country offer opportunities to climb the ladder or switch roles easily? Permanent residency or citizenship. Countries like Canada, Australia and New Zealand offer relatively easier pathways to citizenship. Networking opportunities and community support professional networks. Check if the country has active professional communities and networking events. Expat communities. Having people from your home country can ease the transition. Look into education and skill development. Higher education opportunities. If you want to pursue further studies, countries like the USA, Germany and the UK have top universities. Skill enhancement. Check for government-funded skill development programs like Canada's Program for Skilled Workers. Work environment and innovation-inclusive workplaces. Countries like Sweden, Canada emphasize diversity and inclusion. Innovation-friendly. Are you in a field that thrives on innovation? So countries like the USA and Germany are leaders in R&D. Not sure where to start? At Terraton, we specialize in helping you find the perfect country based on your goals. We assist with resume building, visa applications and even cultural adjustment strategies. So check out our website and book a free consultation today. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career in Australia? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. The link is in the description and pinned comments below. So don't miss out on this opportunity to get expert advice tailored just for you. So use the tips we discussed today to evaluate your options and remember, Terraton is here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Terraton. Let us know in the comments which country you are considering and why.